AI is not replacing workers, it's replacing middle management. Your next boss might not be human. And it won't care about your performance review. AI isn't coming for entry-level workers first. It's coming for the people in the middle. The coordinators, the supervisors, the managers. And most companies don't even realize it yet. When people talk about AI replacing jobs, they usually imagine factory workers or customer service agents. But historically, technology replaces coordination costs first. Companies are structured in layers for one reason: to manage complexity. Managers exist to assign tasks, track progress, resolve conflicts, report results upward. But what if software can now do that, instantly? Modern AI systems can already automatically prioritize tasks, analyze performance metrics, allocate resources, predict bottlenecks, generate reports. What used to require weekly meetings now happens in seconds. The real breakthrough isn't intelligence. It's automation of decision flow. Imagine a 50-person startup. Traditionally, you might need 1 operations manager, 2 project managers, several team leads. Now replace that layer with AI project coordination software, automated performance tracking, real-time analytics. Suddenly, the founder oversees everything through one intelligent system. The hierarchy flattens. This is where the power shift begins. If AI reduces coordination costs close to zero, then the advantage moves to whoever controls the AI. Founders gain leverage. Investors gain leverage. Tech owners gain leverage. But middle management, the traditional ladder of corporate power, starts to disappear. Past automation replaced manual labor. This wave replaces organizational intelligence. It's not about robots on factory floors. It's about algorithms quietly running your company. Decision-making becomes data-driven. Meetings shrink. Reporting becomes automatic. And human oversight becomes optional. Within 5 years, many companies may look radically different. Fewer layers. Faster decisions. Smaller teams producing larger output. AI won't just assist managers. It will become the management infrastructure. The companies that adopt early will scale faster. The ones that hesitate may collapse under slower decision cycles. So the real question isn't, will AI take your job? The question is, when AI becomes the manager, where do you stand in the hierarchy? Do you control the system? Or does the system coordinate you?